Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Respect and teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Abdul Hasib. I am studying in UCQ. I am 7 years old. I come from Palai. My father name is Habib. My mother name is Abida. Today I am going to speak about my parents and my family. I have one brother and one sister and grandparents. My parents are my pillars of strength and my guiding stars and my forever home. Their love sacrifices and unwavering support have shaped me into who I am today. I am grateful for their presence in my life. I love my parents and my family so much. My parents help me learn many things and always support me. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, al jannatu tahta aqdamil ummahat. Therefore, we should love and respect our parents. I am concluding my words. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.